Hello and welcome, John Croner with Bullseye Trader, and I'd like to welcome you to the Artificial Intelligence Holly and Market Update for the day, week, and month ending Friday, August the 31st. Well, let's take a look and see how everything ended up. And we're going to go ahead and use my Thinkorswim platform here. And as you can see, I have built a little charting system here that has the daily, the weekly, and the monthly, and this is for all of August for the daily, and this is multiple for the week and month. The blue line is the 20, the red dotted here is the 50, the green is the 200, all SMAs, and the yellow is an EMA 8, just to tell you what it is. We'll go ahead and start up here at the diamonds, and we'll take a look first at the daily. And you can see here we had quite a wild ride here, and this here, with the spinning top, the big tail, and then a nice reversal with the gap up after that. Today we gapped down, but we finished strong. We closed still below yesterday's close, but nice recovery. You can see here on the weekly, we had this level here marked as resistance. We did not want to break down below, and even though we did go up and we set a new 52-week high here. Or at least that was probably a 30-day high, with this charting. But we set the high of the month at least, and then we pulled back, but we're still holding very, very nicely. So with the nice gains we've had, a little consolidation is certainly in order. And you can see here how close we are to all-time records, all-time highs at 265.93, and we closed at 259.85. So looking very, very nice on the diamonds. GLD, quite the opposite story here. We've been in a downtrend, certainly on the daily and the weekly, and the month is certainly rolling over now. You can see the 8 crossing through the 20 here. Unless something changes, it looks like there may be more downside for gold coming up. The IBB, once again here, you can see a fairly nice looking chart, just a mild pullback, and then nice steady climb up. Here we had some consolidation on the weekly and a nice strong week this week on the weekly candle. And you can see on the monthly candle, just looking very, very nice. We did set a weekly high here, but it is not the monthly. You can see that the monthly up here, the all-time high at 133.60 for the IBB. So got a little more work to go, but looking very, very strong. We kind of have a cup and handle here on the monthly, so looking good on the IBB overall. IWM, gap down today, and then nice strong recovery, closed near highs. You can see here on the weekly, this is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th nice week in a row. So looking very, very nice on there. And you can see the monthly just, it's been, looking real nice, since, back in here, July of 16. We had, and this didn't even look bad here, just a little, pull back for a couple of months. So, on the Qs, let's let it populate, and there you go. Once again, a little gap down, nice recovery. Got the bullish engulfing candle set up. You can see here this, this was the highs marked previously, and we want to try to stay up above there, or certainly at least on this 8 moving average. But looking very nice on all time frames for the Qs, the spiders. And And there we go. We're showing a green candle here. We did close just about where yesterday closed, but we had a gap down and then a pullback a little bit, and then the recovery. But looking at the weekly, you can see how nice that weekly is looking, holding that 8 moving average very, very nicely. We could probably go ahead and get rid of this one at this point. Looking nice there on the monthly, and you can see that as well, looking very, very strong. And then of course your TLT, a big red candle today. It's kind of been all over the place. If you look at these candles here, not looking like it knows what direction it's going, so it's been bouncing around. But the monthly has probably the most downtrend, but the 20 is curling a little bit, so it's kind of in that range. If you look at it, it's and we'll go ahead and draw a box here on the weekly. If you kind of look at it right about there, that's kind of the range that it's in. We'll see, and I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that now that it's there for you to see, but that's the range we're in. We'll see what happens as time goes on with that. Now let's go ahead and take a fast look at Holly, and once again we'll review the day and the month. Holly Grill had 17 trades and she lost 91 cents. On the risk one, she made 10 cents. Holly 2.0, she lost 40 cents, and on the risk one, she made 4 cents. And on the Holly Neo, she made 36 cents, and on the risk one, she made $1.68. So the way that broke down, she had 52 trades, lost 95 cents, but made $1.62 for the day. For the week, 320 trades, $7.98 profit, $19.16 risk on profit. For the month, we have your totals here. Holly Grill had 442 trades, $13.23 profit, $34.69 risk on. Holly 2.0 had 535 trades, $15.75 profit, $51.52 risk on profit. And Holly Neo, 618 trades, $24.51 profit, and $61.24 risk on. So the way it totaled up between the three Hollies, 1,595 trades, $53.49 profit, risk on profit, a whopping $147.75. So that is your Holly update. Being that we had so much to go over, I'm not going to go over the individual trades today. There were some good ones. Hopefully you have the software and you can go in and take a look at those. But if you don't have the software and you'd like to, here's a link to where you can get it. And we have plans that are yearly and we have plans that are monthly. So you can take advantage of whichever plan you want. If you use Bullseye 15 as a code, we can save you 15% on your first month or your first year. We're showing the yearly pricing here, but if you go to this link, you'll see all of your options. You do need to get the premium plan if you do want to get Holly, and we hope to see you joining us real soon. And just as a reminder, you can always follow me at my blog at bullseyetrader.com. You can like me on Facebook, follow me on Twitter, StockTwits. If you like this video, got anything out of it, do me a favor, hit that thumbs up, maybe drop a comment, maybe share it. And if you haven't already, consider subscribing to the videos. That way you never miss one. And hey, I want to thank you for watching, and God bless.